Hi everyone, I welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I have taken a topic of deduction from gross total income section 80U, and the subject name was income tax law and practice 2, and this video is applicable for the assessment year 2022-2021 and the previous year of 1920 to 2020. I am Ashok, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce from KCS Kashinagara College of Arts and Science. So the main content of this video is deduction from gross total income. So in the previous video, I have posted the video which is related to deduction under section 80 double G. So in this video, I have taken as deduction under section 80U. So 80U, what is 80U? This deduction is applicable for who, what is the condition, what is the amount of deductions are going to be explained in this video. Let's get it in the video. Deduction in case of physically handicapped resident person, section 80U. So 80U deduction is applicable for the if the assessee is being a physically challenged or differently abled person. This deduction is allowed for that physically handicapped resident alone. He should be a resident of India only. That person only is eligible to get deduction under section 80U. Then a resident individual who is totally blind or suffer from permanent physical disability is entitled to of 75,000 under section 80U. So which means that if a assessee is blind or suffer from any physical disability, he is eligible to get deduction under section 80U of rupees 75,000 for the normal disability, and a higher reduction of rupees 1,25,000 with severe disability having a disability over 80%. So here the disability was categories was if his disability was more than 80%, he can claim a deduction under section 80U for the amount of rupees 1,25,000 is deducted. So we can simply conclude that for normal disability 75,000 is be deducted from 80U, and for the higher severe disability 1,25,000 is being deducted. So let us see 80U is eligible for whom? Deduction, actually it is deduction, I have put education, what is deduction? Okay, so deduction under section 80U is available in the case of resident individual who is suffering from a permanent physical disability, blindness, or subject to mental retardation specified in the rules made in this behalf of the board. Okay, so if this diseases or disability was mentioned in the particular board, okay, they have to be designed. So the person was disabled 80%, 40%. So like that, he has to get the certificate from the particular government. Then only he is eligible to deduct amount from 80U. So the certificate should be shown to the income tax officer. Once the income tax officer has verified the certificate, okay, you are eligible to get 80U, then only he can claim deduction under section 80U. Okay, so disability which includes of blindness, it is one kind of disability which includes, which is a if the assessee is a blind, he can claim a deduction under section 80U. And low vision, he is a low vision eye problem or leprosy or cured leprosy, and there will be considered as disability. So leprosy means it is one kind of skin disease, okay, it is cured, or that is also considered as disabled person. Then hearing impairment, the one who cannot able to audible to others, okay. Then locomotor disability, one who sit on the particular chair and someone is being by using of another, only they can be travel to another area. So that is a locomotor disability. So these are the four things are will be considered as disability in the Income Tax Act. Thank you for watching my video. I think so you got an idea about what is deduction under section 80U for the disability of person. It is applicable to the individual assessee only.